Number two, it's one of my personal favorites. From fighting stance, I do with the back leg. You guys can also do with the front leg. You will want the person to switch legs first. So, because you don't want to do this kick on this side of the leg because of the low kick. This is a low hook kick. You guys may have seen Andy Hugh switch legs. You guys may have seen Andy Hugh do this one. It's similar. That's very effective. I just don't use that one. If I'm going to spin, I'm going to kick you in the head. I'm not going to kick you in the leg. So switch. My version of it is a hook kick. And I started from the back leg. So I don't do it with this side because from here, what will happen is you will just get low kick. Go ahead. And that's not good. Okay? So you want to throw it in the front side. So you either want to catch the front leg here or the back leg. Now the back leg, usually what I will do is I wait for them to switch legs. If you're avoiding the power leg enough and you're moving this way sparring a lot, eventually they will get annoyed and they will switch legs. By the time they switch legs, I already know they're going to want to throw a left kick. Here's where it's perfect to throw this kick. From here, it looks like you're going to go for a low kick, but you're really throwing a hook kick to the side of the leg, and that shit hurts a lot. Switch. If you're sparring against Dutch kickboxers, throwing this here is pointless because they condition that side of the leg, and again, they will throw the low kick here. So you always want to throw it this way, or even better, my personal way, switch. As soon as they switch legs, bah, just kick him right there. That shit hurts like a bitch. Okay? Now, number three. Number three, go on the side.